boosting productivity with Gmail add-ons.
Gmail add-ons expand your inbox's capabilities, helping you work faster and smarter. In this guide, discover 3 top Gmail add-ons designed to increase your efficiency. Learn how to install each one, what they do best, and how to use them to maximize your productivity, all without leaving your inbox.
Installing Gmail add-ons, a quick guide.
To get started, open Gmail on your computer. Click the plus icon in the right-hand sidebar to access the Google Workspace Marketplace. Search for your desired add-on, select it, then click Install and follow the permission prompts. Once installed, the add-on will appear in your sidebar for easy access each time you use Gmail.
Trello for Gmail, managing tasks with ease.
Trello for Gmail lets you turn emails into Trello cards directly from your inbox. After installing, open any email and click the Trello icon. Select the board and list where you want to create a card. Add notes or set due dates, then save. This add-on streamlines task management, keeping your to-dos organized and actionable.
Boomerang for Gmail, schedule and track emails.
Boomerang allows you to schedule emails to be sent later, set reminders, and even pause your inbox. After installation, you'll see Boomerang options when composing or reading emails. Use the Send Later button to schedule messages, or set reminders to follow up on important conversations, helping you manage correspondence more effectively.
Grammarly for Gmail, writing better emails.
Grammarly for Gmail helps you write clear, mistake-free emails by checking spelling, grammar, and tone as you type. Once added, it works automatically when you compose messages. It underlines issues and suggests corrections in real time, ensuring your emails are professional and easy to read before you hit send.
Maximize your Gmail productivity.
Combining these 3 add-ons, Trello, Boomerang, and Grammarly, can transform your Gmail workflow. Integrate task management, streamline scheduling, and improve your writing, all from your inbox. Explore the Google Workspace Marketplace for even more tools to fit your needs and keep your productivity at its peak.